planners and calendars. That is like a whole nother YouTube channel all in itself. And I am wanting to make for my Etsy shop Girl Boss gear that I keep saying I'm going to get to and then I don't. But one of the things that I want to add to it is a Girl Boss planner. Okay, so I wanted to tell you where to go to get your templates and where you can get them plain, and I have sort of a story behind this. So story time. So in my last video, I just gave you some opportunities, like work at home opportunities, which was out of the ordinary for me, and now I'm back into design. Okay, so is where you can get, planner templates. Is what I did is I have a planner here at home that I purchased last year, and I absolutely love the planner. And this was before I really started getting into digital design, to where I could make it myself. Now, so I got on Fiverr, and I want to give it to this girl, Golden Jenny. She is from Pakistan, and she is a true girl boss. She has 442 reviews and a 5.0 rating. Okay, so let me tell you, she is absolutely awesome. So I sent her a message, and I asked her, I said, I really don't need a custom layout of a planner. I said, I really just want plain boxes and plain lines because I want to design my own. And I want to be able to add my own fonts and my own, motivational quotes and things like that. And so she sent me a message back, and it was so cute. She probably thought I was crazy. And she sent me a message back, and she said, "You just want blank lines and boxes? And no numbers, nothing?" And I said, "Yep, that's what I want, because I want to be able to design it myself." And I wish I would have actually taken a picture of the planner that I have so I could show you in this video what I have. So when I show you these pages, you'll understand what I'm talking about, because I'm not actually going to start designing it in this video, but I was so excited to share with you. I wanted to give this girl a total shout out. I highly recommend her, and she can do it however you want. And she can, if you actually want her to plan the whole thing out, she can do it. So she's got services, starting at $10. Now, she charged me $5 a page, and I know you're going to think that's crazy. So it was $25. And the only reason I needed 5 pages is because I can use those same pages over and over again. So is what I want at the beginning of the month, I want boxes so that I can put like November, and then I can fill in the days myself. And then the next page after that, we're going to start putting the days of the week, 1, 2, 3, and there's lines for them to write in places, so I can design my own. If I need any additional pages after that, I can design it myself. But I do want to tell you, you can actually go to Fiverr and you can, have somebody give you plain templates. Okay, so, I said I don't want any numbers, nothing, just boxes and lines. You're probably thinking, okay, you could have done this yourself. And yeah, you're right. Okay, so I took the lazy way out, but I'm really wanting to do more of the design part. If you do have, anything like Publisher at home, which I do, I actually have it, I believe, from my son's, because I have all these things. Now, see, I do have the Adobe Suite, but I really just think they're not user-friendly. But I do have Microsoft Office. It's the 2013. So I have all of these things. I've got Microsoft Word, and I've got Excel. I have all these things, but I actually got the Microsoft Office. My son gets it free from his school, and he can sign into it, you know, on this computer. So anyway, Golden Jenny, thank you so much. You are absolutely golden. So I'm going to hop right into it. Let's go back over here to converting pixels to inches. So let's say that we wanted to create a 4x8 annual planner, which I'm going by the one that I have. So we're going to put 4 inches and we're going to put 300 DPI. Okay, so that's telling me that it's going to be 1200 pixels, and then we're going to put in our 8 by 2400. Okay, and I just wrote that down. I've mentioned this in my previous videos. This is called ninjaunits.com, and you can convert inches to pixels and also pixels to inches, and it's free to use. So let me go over here to my photo library here, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So we're going to create a design, and what is the best thing I love so much about these JPEGs that she sent me is I can actually kind of resize them a little bit. So if I wanted to make a 5x9, or if I wanted to, you know, make like a 5x7, I think that these would totally fit into that. And I think this, or a 6x9, I think these would totally fit. So let's go ahead and enter our dimensions here. 1200 by 2400, and this is our 4x8. Okay, so I'm going to kind of blow this up a little bit, and let me just show you one of the pages that I have, and it's a little bit hard to see. So is what I can do is I'm going to fit this in here. Okay, it's really hard to tell in here. Okay, so see, here are my boxes blown up. And so they've got a little place over here to the left that they can write, and then you can enter your numbers of, you know, days of the week in these boxes. And I specifically asked to leave room on this side so that there was enough room for like hole punching and binding. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this one. And then like for the days of the week, or actually the month, let me go ahead and click new. Let's go ahead and see what a 5x9 is. Okay, so that is going to be 1500 by 2700. Okay, so I'm going to go back over here to iPicky, and we are going to enter those dimensions right here. 1500 by 2700, and we're going to click create. Okay, and I know this looks small on here, but trust me, this is a 5x9. So let's go back over here, and so hard to tell on here with these. Let me see what this one is. Oh, this was one that she made for the like last page of the book, if they wanted to add any more notes or anything like that. And when I blow this up, you can tell this is how it would look. It would look just like this. So you can put on here, you know, notes at the end, and then let me go ahead and upload my, I think this is my boxes. Nope, this is not my boxes. Hang on. Okay, so here we go. Here's our boxes right here. It's better to do it this way, and then I'll zoom in once I get this in here. So we're going to put this in here, and I'm going to drag it over here. Okay, and then now let me blow it up. This is actually, she's got light and dark colors in here, so that you can, it kind of adds a little bit more contrast. So this is where at the top right here, I could put a motivational quote. She left room up here at the top, or I could put the month of November, and I would start, you know, put a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I could use my own font, my own numbers, my own colors. I could use absolutely anything. I could put a watercolor up here at the top if I wanted to, and I just am really liking that I have the ability to completely design a planner from scratch, other than the only thing I started with was lines and boxes. So this video was not really a tutorial on how to do, you know, how to make a planner. This was where to go to get the plain boxes. So I highly recommend Golden Jenny, and she is just absolutely awesome. It said on there it was going to take 5 days for delivery, and she literally got it back to me the next day. So she is absolutely awesome. So anyway, if you do have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification so you do not miss out on any future videos on how to make a passive income. Make sure you stay tuned for you know, more videos, because as I start working on my Girl Boss planner, I'm going to show you what I'm doing with these templates that she gave me. So once again, I think Fiverr is an awesome place to get those things. Or if you don't want to spend any money, you can just start from scratch and make them yourself. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day.